In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set default font color and size for emails in Outlook. We'll start right in your web browser. In the search bar, type Outlook and press enter. From the results, click the official Outlook link that takes you to outlook.live.com. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and do that. Otherwise, you'll land directly in your inbox and we can jump straight to the settings. Once you're in your mailbox, look to the top right corner and click the gear icon to open settings. A panel will slide out on the right. From here, select Mail to switch from general settings to your mail-specific options. Next, click Compose and Reply. This page controls how your messages look when you start a new email or reply to one, and it's exactly where we'll set your defaults. Scroll to the section labeled Message Font. This is where you choose your default font, font size, and font color. Click the font dropdown to pick a style you like. Then choose a size that's easy to read. A common sweet spot is 11 or 12 point, but feel free to go a bit larger if you prefer more breathing room on screen. For color, select something with good contrast against a white or light background. Classic black or a dark gray is the safest choice. If you want a hint of personality, pick a muted brand color, but avoid very light or neon shades that can be hard to read or may not render well for every recipient. As you make changes, look at the live preview area on this page. It updates instantly so you can see exactly how your text will appear. Type a few sample words, check the clarity, and make small adjustments until it looks right. This preview is a great way to verify that your choices will be comfortable for long emails and easy on the eyes. Outlook on the web typically saves these changes automatically. If you see a Save button on your screen, click it to confirm. Otherwise, you can simply navigate away when you're satisfied. These defaults will now apply to new messages, replies, and forwards you compose in Outlook on the web. Keep in mind that this doesn't change emails you've already sent, and formatting can look a little different for recipients who read mail in dark mode or in other email apps. That's it. We searched for Outlook, opened it, went into settings, selected mail, chose compose and reply, set the default font color and size, and previewed the result. With these defaults in place, every message you write starts polished and consistent, saving you time and ensuring a professional look.